Did you know that in Japan there are machines and business ideas so advanced that many countries still do not have them? Today I will show you 15 Japanese machines that are already generating millions across Asia and that you could bring to your city to build a highly profitable business with very little competition. These ideas are not futuristic concepts. They are already working solutions that solve everyday problems like food, rest, decoration, mobility, and automation. Many of them require low initial investment and can scale fast. Stay until the end because I will also explain which machines are the easiest to import and start using right away. Number 1. Automatic sushi rolling machines. In Japan, sushi is more than food. It is a daily habit and a cultural symbol. That is why automatic sushi rolling machines were created to produce perfectly shaped rolls in minutes, with speed and consistency that normally require years of training. These machines solve a major problem for entrepreneurs: the lack of skilled sushi chefs and the high labor cost involved. With this technology, anyone can produce uniform, visually appealing sushi without advanced experience. The cost of the machine ranges between $300 and $1,500, depending on capacity and features. This business becomes profitable because sushi has strong demand and low production cost per unit. The machine allows faster output, less waste, and consistent quality, which increases customer trust. It works perfectly for small shops, catering services, food courts, and delivery kitchens. Because the process is automated, you can serve more customers in less time, reduce staffing expenses, and scale operations easily, making profits grow through volume and efficiency. Number 2. Automatic ramen dispenser machines. Ramen is one of the most consumed foods in Japan, and automation made it available anytime through automatic ramen dispenser machines. These machines prepare and serve hot ramen in minutes, without a chef present. They solve a common problem in many cities: the lack of affordable hot food outside regular restaurant hours. The investment cost ranges from $2,000 to $8,000, depending on size and automation level. This business becomes profitable because the machine operates 24 hours a day with minimal maintenance and no full-time staff. It can be placed in universities, office zones, transport terminals, or shopping centers where people need fast meals. Each sale adds up quickly due to steady daily demand. Automation lowers operating expenses while maintaining consistent quality. Over time, this creates profits through constant sales, low labor costs, and uninterrupted operation, making it a strong passive income model. Before we continue, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. Our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers, and your support helps this channel grow and bring you more real opportunities. Number 3. Coffee machines with automatic latte art. In Japan, experience matters as much as taste, which led to coffee machines with automatic latte art printing. These machines use edible ink to print images, messages, or logos directly onto coffee foam. They solve the problem of differentiation in a crowded coffee market. With a cost between $1,500 and $3,000, this machine turns a simple drink into a personalized experience. The business becomes profitable because customers are willing to pay more for unique and shareable products. Cafes, events, weddings, and corporate activations benefit greatly from this feature. Each cup becomes free marketing when shared on social media. The machine increases perceived value without increasing ingredient costs. It also speeds up service compared to manual designs. Over time, profits grow by charging premium prices, attracting repeat customers, and increasing brand visibility with minimal extra effort. Number 4. Private karaoke booths. Karaoke is deeply rooted in Japanese culture, and innovation transformed it into private karaoke booths. These are compact, soundproof spaces equipped with touchscreens, professional microphones, lighting, and surround sound. They solve the problem of people wanting to sing without social pressure or large crowds. The cost ranges from $3,000 to $10,000, depending on size and technology. This business is profitable because it charges by time rather than by product. Once installed, the booth can be used continuously throughout the day and night. It fits perfectly in malls, nightlife districts, tourist areas, and university zones. Minimal staffing is required, and maintenance costs are low. People return regularly for entertainment and stress relief. As demand increases, more booths can be added, allowing profits to scale through high usage and repeat customers. Number 5. Rest capsules. Rest capsules, also known as sleeping pods, were created in Japan to solve space limitations and fast-paced lifestyles. These compact units provide privacy, comfort, and security for short rest periods. Each capsule includes a bed, ventilation, lighting, and sound insulation. The investment per capsule ranges from $2,500 to $6,000, making it accessible to start small. This business becomes profitable because it charges per hour, allowing constant turnover throughout the day. Airports, bus terminals, universities, hospitals, and business districts are ideal locations. The novelty of the concept attracts curious customers, while practicality ensures repeat use. Multiple capsules can operate in the same space without major construction. Over time, adding more units increases capacity without expanding property size, allowing profits to grow through high rotation and efficient use of space. Up to this point, every machine you have seen solves a daily problem, but the next ones are even easier to scale and can work with minimal space and low startup costs. Number 6. Vending machines for unusual products. Japan is famous for its variety of vending machines for unusual products, far beyond snacks and drinks. These machines sell items like umbrellas, electronics, accessories, flowers, and even full meals. They solve a simple but powerful problem: instant access to everyday items without waiting or staff. The cost of these machines ranges between $1,000 and $5,000, depending on size and technology. This business becomes profitable because it operates non-stop with very low maintenance. Strategic placement in malls, stations, hospitals, and tourist zones ensures constant demand. Digital payments and remote monitoring reduce operational effort. Each machine generates income daily while requiring minimal attention. Over time, adding more machines increases reach and stability, allowing profits to grow through automation, convenience, and high-traffic locations. If this video is opening your eyes to new business opportunities, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because every week you will see real machines, real ideas, and real ways to build income. Number 7. 3D printers for ceramics. In Japan, tradition and technology merge through 3D printers for ceramics. These machines produce cups, plates, decorative objects, and custom designs with high precision. They solve the problem of mass-produced products lacking uniqueness. The investment ranges from $2,000 to $7,000, depending on production capacity. This business is profitable because customers pay more for personalized and exclusive items. Restaurants, hotels, designers, and home decor buyers value originality. Production costs stay low while perceived value remains high. Small batches reduce waste and allow quick adaptation to trends. Selling online or locally expands reach. Over time, profits increase by offering premium designs, customization, and limited editions that stand out from standard ceramics. Number 8. Smart greenhouses. Smart greenhouses were developed in Japan to overcome limited space and climate challenges. These automated systems grow vegetables and greens in controlled environments using minimal water and nutrients. They solve problems related to seasonality and urban food shortages. The cost ranges from $4,000 to $15,000, based on size and automation level. This business becomes profitable because it produces consistent harvests year-round. Restaurants and health-focused stores value reliable supply and quality. Urban farming reduces transport costs and waste. Technology ensures efficient resource use and predictable output. As demand increases, multiple units can be added. This creates profits through steady production, premium produce, and long-term supplier relationships. Number 9. Mochi ice cream production machines. Japanese desserts gained global popularity with mochi ice cream production machines. These machines create soft rice dough shells filled with ice cream in multiple flavors. They solve the lack of innovative dessert options in many markets. The machine cost ranges from $2,500 to $8,000 and can produce large quantities daily. This business is profitable because mochi stands out visually and tastes unique, making it ideal for social media exposure. Cafes, restaurants, and events constantly seek new offerings. Production costs remain low while demand grows fast. Wholesale and retail options increase revenue streams. Over time, profits grow through branding, repeat customers, and viral marketing appeal. Number 10. Electric bicycle charging stations. In Japan, sustainable transport led to electric bicycle charging stations placed across cities. These stations provide convenient power access for riders. They solve the problem of limited charging options for electric bikes. With an investment between $1,000 and $3,000, this business is accessible and flexible. It becomes profitable by serving daily commuters and tourists. Locations like bike paths, hotels, parks, and city centers ensure frequent use. Low maintenance and simple operation reduce expenses. As electric bike adoption grows, demand rises naturally. Multiple stations can form a network, allowing profits to expand through growing usage and long-term mobility trends. Number 11. Instant textile stamping machines. Japan developed compact instant textile stamping machines that allow customization of t-shirts, caps, bags, and fabric items in minutes. These machines solve the problem of long waiting times and bulk order requirements common in traditional printing shops. The investment ranges from $1,000 to $4,000, making it accessible for small entrepreneurs. This business is profitable because customers value speed and personalization. It works perfectly in shopping centers, fairs, concerts, and university areas. Each order is produced on the spot, reducing inventory risk and storage costs. Designs can be changed instantly to match trends or events. Over time, repeat customers and event partnerships increase demand, allowing profits to grow through fast turnover, low waste, and high perceived value. Number 12. Ornamental fish farms Japanese style. Japan is a global leader in ornamental fish breeding, especially koi, using Japanese-style ornamental fish farm systems. These modular ponds and filtration systems create ideal conditions for high-quality fish. They solve the problem of inconsistent quality found in traditional breeding. The starting investment begins around $3,000, depending on scale and equipment. This business becomes profitable because ornamental fish have strong demand in landscaping, luxury decoration, and collector markets. Fish can be sold individually or in batches to garden centers and private buyers. Proper breeding increases value over time. With experience, rare varieties command premium prices, allowing profits to rise through specialization, controlled production, and long-term asset growth. Number 13. Plastic bottle recycling machines. In Japan, sustainability led to plastic bottle recycling machines that crush and process bottles into reusable material. These machines solve waste management issues while creating economic value. The cost ranges from $2,000 to $6,000, depending on capacity. This business is profitable because it combines environmental demand with industrial need. Companies and communities require recycling solutions, and processed plastic has resale value. Governments and organizations often support green initiatives. Operating costs remain low, while material output can be sold or reused. Over time, scaling services or installing machines in multiple locations allows profits to grow through volume, contracts, and sustainability-driven demand. Number 14. 24/7 automatic convenience stores. Japanese 24/7 automatic convenience stores operate using self-service technology and compact layouts. They solve the problem of limited store hours and high staffing costs. The investment ranges from $5,000 to $20,000, depending on size and automation level. This business is profitable because it remains open at all times, capturing sales that traditional stores miss. Automated checkout and inventory systems reduce labor expenses. Strategic locations ensure steady foot traffic. The store can start small and expand with additional modules. Over time, adding new products increases revenue streams, allowing profits to grow through non-stop operation, efficiency, and constant consumer demand. Number 15. Cleaning and maintenance robots. Japan leads in robotics with cleaning and maintenance robots designed for homes, offices, and industrial spaces. These machines vacuum, sweep, clean windows, and maintain large areas autonomously. They solve the problem of labor shortages and rising cleaning costs. The investment ranges from $500 to $10,000, depending on complexity. This business is profitable because services can be offered on recurring contracts. Clients value consistency and reliability. Robots reduce time and human effort while maintaining quality. Scaling is simple by adding more units. Over time, profits increase through service subscriptions, reduced labor costs, and growing demand for automated solutions. What makes these Japanese machines truly valuable is not just innovation, it is how they solve real problems that exist in every city. People need food, convenience, rest, cleaning, mobility, and sustainability. These machines simply deliver those solutions faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. You do not need massive capital to start. Many of these businesses begin with a single machine, a small space, and smart placement. That first step becomes the foundation for scaling, reinvesting, and expanding into multiple units. Over time, automation reduces effort, while profits grow through volume, efficiency, and constant demand. The real advantage comes from being early, bringing technology that is still uncommon in your market and positioning yourself ahead of competitors. If this video gave you value, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone searching for new ways to build income. Your support helps more people see these ideas and allows this channel to keep growing. Thanks for watching, stay focused, stay creative, and I will see you in the next video.